Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use the new Windows 11 widgets without having to sign in a Microsoft account. So Microsoft has rolled out numerable widgets in newer releases of Windows 11. I show you guys how to access them. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select accounts. On right side you just need to select sign in options. You just need to scroll down under additional settings. If you are being away, then should Windows requires you to sign in again, click this drop down and select never, and it will be confirming. For security purpose it is asking for your Windows password. You just need to type it and after that click on OK, and that has been changed guys. You will not need to sign in if you have been away. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC, and once you were restarted you could attempt to access the widgets without having to sign in again guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.